Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we're going to talk a little bit about the things I really love about my 2002 Chevy S-10, aka Stan. But before we get too far into today's video, you know the drill. Go ahead and hit that subscription button if you haven't done so already, the notification bell, leave a comment below. All that stuff really helps the channel grow and is greatly appreciated. So thank you. Now, on with today's video. The first thing that I truly love about Stan is the fact that it's a plain Janer, it's a everyday rig, it's my daily, and for that purpose alone, I enjoy that. I don't have to worry so much about where I park it. So let's just say you're out to dinner and somebody parks next to you and hits your door with their door, or vice versa, or you're at the mall or you're grocery shopping and runaway shopping cart or little old grandma or somebody's not paying attention and they bang into it. Yes, it still sucks, but at least it's not like the extreme or the green one where I really care a whole lot about it and really want to try to keep those things as nice and crisp as possible, well, for as long as possible. Something else about Stan here that I truly love is the fact that it has this hard tonneau cover on it, which makes it great, say, like, again, when you're shopping or you're doing something and you don't want to have everything inside, or in my case where I have the dog with, and there's just not a lot of room, you know, so you put it in the back here. Now on a bad weather day, it's raining, it's snowing, so on and so forth, your stuff's not getting wet, it's not blowing around, it's not flying out on you. Anything you put in the back is going to stay pretty much where you put it. Another wonderful feature about Stan here is the fact that it has a third door. The green one, the 95, well, that's too old. They didn't have third doors yet at that point. So, you know, it's pretty slick. Now, when I got Stan here, that was my first crack at a third door. And, you know, I like it. I thought maybe because there's no B-pillar here that they'd both kind of rattle a little or wouldn't shut tight. But it seems to do pretty well. The hinges and everything hold up real well. Does have a nice little pocket and stuff in there. I do believe since this door opens and there is not a B-pillar here, that's why they opted not to put the fold-down jump seat in, which makes some sense. So they give you a little pocket to throw some stuff in, which is pretty nice. But that's one thing I really like about Stan. And you see, I mean, it doesn't move at all, it doesn't wiggle, it doesn't make any kind of road noise, which is super nice. So there again, love it. Another thing that is quite enjoyable about Stan is the fact that it's an automatic. Now, don't get me wrong, I love a manual. I love slamming gears, clutching, double clutching, all that kind of stuff. But you know, there's just times when it's nice to throw it and drive and go. It does make, you know, your daily driving a little more comfortable, especially, you know, in traffic. You're not clutching and in between gears and things a lot. So that is something that I thoroughly enjoy about Stan here. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I just wanted to put together a little video explaining some of the things I truly love about Stan here. So thanks for watching, and as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.